Hey everyone, we're going to take some time to talk about disinfecting cell phones, mobile devices, and the products that we're going to talk about: Clorox disinfectant wipes and hydrogen peroxide wipes. And if you don't have either of those, maybe you have some isopropyl with 70% alcohol at home, and you can use that with cotton swabs or with Q-tips. But for this exercise we're going to do Clorox wipes, and I've taken the case off. I've powered down my device, and this is safe to use on your surface, on your back, on your sides. And when you've done that, you want to go over it with a microfiber cloth just to dry it off. We don't want to spray the phone with any liquids. We don't want to submerge it, of course, in anything as well. And with your case, make sure you wipe all around, inside and out. And then again with a lint-free microfiber cloth, just dry it off. Make sure you have your peripherals handy. So we have our headphones here. If you have charging devices, make sure that you clean all those as well. All the buttons that you might be touching on your peripheral devices, it's a good idea to be cleaning those. And when you're done, just dry it off real quick with a microfiber cloth. It doesn't take you very long. You can assemble the whole thing, power it on, make sure that it works fine. And this is going to be a great way to disinfect, reduce the chance of spreading germs during the COVID-19 outbreak that we're experiencing. Hope you find this helpful. Have yourselves a great day.